All right, so we know that eBay is a powerhouse when it comes down to e-commerce, right? But did you know that there are at least 3 ways to make money off of it? And yes, I said at least 3 ways because today we're focusing on just 3 of the top ways. So before we dive in, do me a quick favor and gently tap that like button for the YouTube algorithm, all right? So the 3 proven strategies to make money on eBay are retail arbitrage, thrifting, and drop shipping. Each method offers unique advantages and requires different approaches. So let's dive into each of these strategies one by one. So the first one is retail arbitrage, and this involves buying products at a low price and then reselling them for a profit on eBay. Now let's break it down into 4 steps. The first step is product research. Start by identifying products that are in demand on eBay but can be purchased at a lower price from another retailer. So use tools like eBay's completed listings feature or Zik Analytics for that. Now the second step is purchasing the products. So once you found a profitable product, purchase it from the cheaper retailer, and this could be, a physical store having a sale, an online retailer offering a discount, or a wholesale supplier. And then the third step is listing the products on eBay. So after acquiring the products, you list them for sale on eBay. Just make sure to have good photos, to take good photos, and write compelling product descriptions. And also use effective SEO strategies in your listings to attract buyers. And the last step is selling and shipping. So when someone buys your product, you ship it to them. And free shipping can make your listings much more attractive. So just make sure to factor in the shipping cost when calculating your potential profit. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video. And if you have any questions or experiences with retail arbitrage, comment below because I would love to hear from you. All right, I would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's move to our second strategy, which is thrifting. And thrifting, I love thrifting because thrifting is like a treasure hunt, where you search for hidden gems that can be sold for a profit on eBay. So let's see how that works. So thrifting works in basically 4 steps. Sourcing products. So you visit thrift stores, yard sales, estate sales, flea markets, and similar places to look for underpriced goods that you can resell for profit. Now, look for items in good conditions and in demand on eBay. Now, the next step is listing the products on eBay. So once you found items to sell, list them on eBay. Again, good photos and detailed descriptions are crucial for this. So be sure to disclose any flaws or defects on the item. Just be honest about it, okay? And then the third step is pricing your items. So you have to price high enough to make profit, but low enough to attract buyers. And completed listings on eBay can be a good resource for determining how many similar items have been sold for in the past. Now, the last one's shipping. So once an item sells, you ship it to the buyer. So package your items carefully to avoid damage in transit and ship it as fast as you can to keep your buyers happy, because in the end, that's what we want. We want happy buyers. And now, before we get to our third strategy, remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, because we share e-commerce tips, every day, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So last but not least, our third strategy is drop shipping. And this is a method where you sell products directly from the supplier without ever handling the product yourself. Let's explore how this works. Drop shipping consists of these steps that we're going to follow now. The first step is finding a supplier. And this could be a retail website such as AliExpress or Amazon, or a dedicated dropshipping service. And then the next step is product research. So just like the other methods, finding products that sell is crucial. And Zik Analytics can be a game changer in this process. And then we move to the next step, which is listing the products on eBay. So once you found a supplier and products to sell, list those products for sale on eBay. and use photos and descriptions provided by your supplier, and use effective SEO tactics strategies to attract potential buyers. And then you have handling orders. So basically, when a customer buys one of your products, you then purchase the item from the supplier and provide your customers shipping information. And then the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. Now, don't just take my word for it, all right? Check out these success stories right here. It's going to pop on the screen of users of Zik Analytics. And these people, they have become profitable in just weeks. So each of these methods, whether it's retail arbitrage, thrifting, or drop shipping, offers unique advantages and require different skills. So by leveraging these strategies and tools like, Zik Analytics, you can tap into the potential of eBay and start building a successful online business. So let me know what you think about all this in the comments below. If you're, excited to try any of these methods out, keep